Hi guys, it's David Wynn, August University here, and today I'm gonna bring to you guys a new system that helps you get started on online business and affiliate marketing at a quick entry point, not a lot of cost just to get started. Now there is some costs to upgrade and get more potential for income, but to get started is a very low cost of entry. And this program is called Multiple Income Funnel. Okay, so let's get started. So yeah, guys, this is a program called Multiple Income Funnel. I've been using this program the last month or so, and it stems out from a similar program that was available called Profits Passport. Now, I really like this system because there's only four income streams to worry about, and they're all pretty legit. I like all of these streams here. I feel comfortable promoting these, and I've used them all myself as well. So you can have a little bit of confidence in what you're promoting here. Sometimes, often with affiliate products, whether ClickBank, whether other different programs that you promote, you don't necessarily always feel good about promoting them because maybe you don't stand behind the product, or you don't love it, or what have you. So with this program, at least I can say that I do believe in what they're doing, and I really like the program. Okay. So step one, once you get inside, it's a full done for you system with 4 steps. Okay. So the first step is this whole platform itself. So nowhere can you start a whole business out of the box for $50. Okay. So for $50, you get all these different landing page systems here working for you. Okay. These are different websites and they all work for your affiliate link. So if I was to promote this one here, that's the website that they get. They can watch the video, or they can hit play, and then you get the email capture and phone number, and then it goes to your email list. Okay, and then you can retarget them later with email campaigns, or you can do something called solo ad campaigns, which is a paid email ad that goes to hungry buyers that are going to be taking you up on your offers. Okay, and this is all automated and done for you, which is awesome. So Mac Mill is this guy, and he shows you how to actually set everything up. He's built this program from the ground up for you. And step one, when people sign up with your funnel, they get into the entry point. That's $50 a month per person. Now you're going to actually get $20 out of everybody. Easy One Up is a system that is an online education system. So you get different online trainings at different levels. Okay, there's the $25, $100 package, all the way up to $2,000 package with Vertex Live. Okay, and what's nice about this platform is essentially it's like it's almost like a franchise. You buy in at whatever level you want, you get unlocked the training, but then you can also sell at that level. So I always recommend getting in at least $1,000 level, so that you can wake up with $1,000 commissions. Okay, you can get the lower ones as well, but you can make up to 1,000. In a perfect world, you have a little bit more to invest. You get in at the $2,000 level, you can wake up with $2,000 sales on autopilot. Okay, because you're plugged in, because you're bought in at the high level product. Okay, so myself and my business partner, we bought in at the $2,000 level, and it's nice to wake up with $2,000 commissions, right? I'm not gonna say it happens every day, all the time, but it can happen when you're all plugged into the system and you want to get the highest level possible to promote, right? Now with that program, you do pass off your second sale. So the first one, you get at the highest level, it all goes to you and the smaller tiers, but the highest level tier you unlock goes to your upline, the second sale. So once you're paid off and everything, the second sale goes to your upline, and then the third one goes to you, and everyone after that goes to you. Okay, that's just how Easy One Up works. You're passing up your second sale, and no one loves doing that, but when it's other people passing off their second sale to you, then you're laughing. Okay, so let's move on. Next one is called TextBot. Okay, so TextBot is an automated personal assistant software. Okay, that allows you to automate your business through text messages, You can have a direct phone number where people call in and Ava talks to you and kind of walks you through the whole system, then sends an affiliate link for them to sign up with Ava, okay, with TextBot. So this is TextBot, finally an app that saves you time and saves you money. So you guys can go ahead and watch the video here. Automatically answers incoming phone calls for you, generate hot qualified leads for you, automatically answers questions via text, automatically follows up with leads via text message, gives you back your time, helps you make more money. So you can make $100 per sale on autopilot with this, or you can just promote it yourself as well if you get in. You get a whole back office and everything when you log in, see who your leads are, who signed up, who didn't, and who's ready to pay. And then Ava Plus, you can make up to $500 per sale. Once again, when you're in the system here, it does the selling and telling for you. So you want to just make sure you're plugged in and get in at least the $100 level there, then you can make that $100 sale. When money starts flowing in, then you can level up to that Ava Plus, okay? Make $500 sale. Moving on, you have traffic authority. So, the whole goal into the system is you need people, right? So you can be the most luxurious store in the world, right? But if you have no foot traffic, if you have no traffic going in your doors, there's no sales to be made. There's no money to be made, okay? Same thing here is the funnel system works, okay? The funnel system works. Your links will work, and people are going to sign up and people are going to want to buy because they're struggling. They're trying to make more income online. They want an easy way to do it. They don't want to go to your university. They don't want to take a whole online course, go through every single program for hours and not, they don't want to deal with that. They just want to plug in and invest and start seeing some benefits right away, right? Now, you have to have a little bit of patience, obviously, because things aren't just magical and money's flying from the rooftops and all that stuff. Like, let's be realistic here. But are we getting sales? For sure. And is the system way better than the previous system that I used? Definitely. So, you guys need to plug in, and 2021 is not going to make itself. Financial freedom is not going to make itself. You need to plug in and take action, okay? So anyone on my channel here that's looking for a new opportunity, definitely consider this. It's not financial advice. I'm never gonna say I'm a financial advisor. I'm an affiliate marketer, and the program is working for myself, okay? Next, traffic authority. So you wanna get everyone into this traffic source. So whether it be your website, whether it be your affiliate product, whether it be a video that you want people to go viral, right? You need traffic. So inside this platform, you have traffic authority, and traffic authority is basically a traffic stream, right? It's a traffic stream that allows you to do something called solo campaigns, okay? So these email campaigns go to hot leads. Right? There's the whole landing page. Anyways, solo campaigns will basically take these offers that you have and then send them out to high level, high quality email leads. Okay. So, people that are hungry for a new opportunity, people that are hungry to buy something and take action. Okay. And once you unlock traffic authority, you buy some solo ads yourself, you're then able to get commissions at that tier of commission. Okay, so there's multiple tiers in there, all the way up to the high levels of thousands. But you can start kind of in the beginning and unlock from there. I might actually show you guys. Hold on a sec. Yeah, so once you're in traffic authority, you're gonna see here your whole dashboard, and you can do the training. There's so many different things you can set up, but I like to just go ahead and fire up some traffic, and you can buy different levels of traffic here, right? And once you buy the first tier, you should actually get a bonus that unlocks an additional level. So let's say you guys buying at that 220, you'll actually get the bronze package unlocked, so that the person that signs up using your that ends up buying solo campaign for themselves, you actually get a commission as well. Okay, So when you're buying at the basic, you get unlocked up to the bronze. So if that one of the people you sign up under you buys the bronze, you're actually going to get the bronze commission, which is nice. Okay, so you guys can investigate this yourself. I do find like that the traffic does work well, but yeah, this is basically the whole system. You get resources here, so you get an email copy you can utilize for your email list. You can check your commissions and all that, and your whole team here under my business. I'm just going to keep that personal for now. You can see who directly is on your team, and then you can see the traffic that you're getting, and then you can see your links to your different funnel systems there. So if you guys are interested in multiple income funnel, I really love this platform, and it's a million times better than Profit Passport. I do like David Deckel. I do like his what he does, but this system's just easier. There's no Forsage program, anything like that. It just keeps it simple to products that I like, products I can stand behind when I promote this offer. Okay, so if you guys are looking to take action, if you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to comment below. Ask me directly. I have my contacts in my description as well. If you guys want to hit me up with an email or ask anything like that, let me know. But yeah, this is one of the systems I'm making to make some passive income. And it's nice to make, wake up $50 sale, $100 sale, $2,000 sale. It is nice. And it's nice to, all day, if I could, I'd be looking at stock charts and crypto charts all day. So this is a nice passive way, other than producing content here for you guys, to make extra money. And you just literally send out solo campaigns, send out emails, and then it does the selling and telling for you. And the drip sequence is starting to launch soon, which is Mac Mill is actually going to be automating his email campaign for you. So anyone that plugs into your funnel, they'll automatically receive the backend email drip campaign. So that's going to be amazing. And it's going to be even easier for you to make sales and get new leads. All right. So if you guys are looking to get in, click on the link below and get started. And you got to take action, right? And take action in life. If you don't take action, you're just going to be in the same spot you were last year. And, with the world going the way it is right now, we got to make a difference. You got to stand out and, be comfortable in your home, be comfortable in your home office. Making money from anywhere in the world is where we need to be. Not showing up to work, people wearing masks, all that stuff. I'm not trying to do that all my life. Okay. So let's get it. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Please hit the subscribe button above or to the side here and smash the like button. And if you're ready to take action with multiple income funnel, click on the link below and let's get started. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. See you in the next video.